Hey guys, this is Danny Baker here at MarineMax in Greenville, South Carolina. Wanted to take you through this quick boat that we had here. We've got the 2025 222 SE Yamaha. It's in the suede gray, I'm sorry. It's a beautiful boat, great profile. Come around the back, let me show you a little bit here. This boat here has the nice brown and tan interior, which is the cool feel. It really doesn't get that hot during the summertime. Of course, you got the jet engines here, no propeller. And a lot of the families like that because of the safety feature of that. Let's go upstairs here and I'll show you a little bit. As you come up here to the bow, you got a great seating area here. It's kind of squared off, but it gives you a lot more room on the inside of the boat. I like the integrated handles and the cup holders here. You have a full locker storage compartment up here in the front, and nice steps. So if you want to load from the front of the boat, this is very easy. If you come on back here, one thing about Yamaha, they really do a very good job on storage. So they give you a lot of room to store your tables, cushions, or anything like that. It's got a huge locker here. You could put skis, life jackets, anything, the cover. It's real deep and gives you a lot of storage right there. Here you've got the Connect screen. It's got all your diagnostics, GPS, and everything like that on there with a wireless phone charger as well to set your phone in. It's got the wraparound seating, which is really great. And one thing to do, these actually have a nice little storage area inside the seat on both sides here. Gives you a little bit extra. So if you'd like to come see this boat, please come check us out here in Greenville at MarineMax. Thank you.